Running out of ideas for your next photo shoot? Or don't have the time or budget to set one up? Here's a faster way to create high-quality lifestyle product photos. Start by heading over to blendnow.com to create stunning lifestyle shot images of your products. With Blend, you can generate various styles, scenes, and environments with just a few clicks. Once you're in, go ahead and open Lifestyle Shots. Now upload your product image. This works great for things like furniture, skincare, decor, food, and many more. You'll see a range of AI-generated scenes tailored to your product. Pick one that matches the style you want. Or, if you have something specific in mind, you can describe your own scene. Click Generate. You can further refine your shots using these ideas, or open an image to customize it in more detail. You can change the background, adjust lighting, or add props. For example, switch the lighting to night. Once done, go ahead and save your image. And there you have it, stunning lifestyle shots ready to be used across all platforms.